one oval. Focus, all of you. Hey. Okay, one. Draw first this one. And then two. Hey. Then two. Hey. Then three. First head and body, right? No. Baby, don't talk. Mama, baby, wait. Done, beta? No, Mama. Pause. Next class is after this drawing. Okay, the drawing box. Second is colors. Third is pencil box. Done, beta? No pencil box. Color box. Now the eyes. Shh. Fast. The eyes. Shivam, if you want to wish to little bit of progress, you can start. Done? Simple, guys. Make this simple. Yes, today only. But that is art practice, and after that okay, you can see only one thing one time. Otherwise, not see the beat. Eyes, are done, beta. You need help, Mama. Nose. On wait, Mama. I help you. Nose. Done, beta. Hey. Fast. Time is over. Fast. More 2 minutes. First. Done, beta. Nose. This is mouth. Come on, draw the mouth. Ma'am, if you wish to start something, you can say. Done, beta? No, sir. Hand. Like the finger. 1, 2. This is a finger. Yeah. Now let's make these things. Tail is done, beta. Draw the leg first, then eraser you need, Mama. Take eraser from here. In this hand now, this rabbit hand is there is the carrot. Another carrot. Hmm.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.